Welcome to Introduction to Semiconductor Manufacturing. We are glad you are here and learning alongside fellow participants in this micro-credential course. In this course, we will explore the foundations of semiconductor manufacturing and examine how semiconductor devices are designed, fabricated, tested, packaged, and continuously improved to support today's rapidly evolving technologies. Semiconductors play a critical role in modern life. They power computers, smartphones, vehicles, communication systems, medical technologies, industrial automation, and emerging artificial intelligence applications. Throughout this course, you will be introduced to the semiconductor manufacturing flow and the major technologies involved in transforming raw silicon wafers into functional semiconductor devices. You will also learn about fabrication facility operations, yield management practices, and the systems that help maintain product quality and manufacturing efficiency. As we progress through the modules, we will explore how smart manufacturing and digital transformation are reshaping semiconductor production environments through automation, monitoring systems, data analytics, and connected manufacturing technologies. In addition to technical concepts, this course will also introduce the competencies, professional practices, and practical skills expected of engineers and technical personnel working in semiconductor manufacturing environments. Throughout the course, you will engage with readings, videos, reflections, and learning activities designed to help connect foundational concepts with authentic industry practices and real-world applications. Whether you are exploring semiconductor manufacturing for the first time, preparing for future opportunities in the semiconductor industry, or expanding your technical knowledge and professional competencies, we hope this course provides you with a meaningful and practical learning experience. Now that you have an overview of what this course is about and what you will be learning throughout the modules, it is time to get started.